French are glad to die for love. They delight in fighting duels. But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but won't beat rattle on your humble flat, or help you at the automat. Men grow cold as girls grow old, and you'll lose your charms in the end. But square cut or pear shaped, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Tiffany's, Cartier, Black Star, Rose Gold. Talk to me, Harry Winston, tell me all about it.